We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your toner in a Brother MFC L5850dw. So there's a little button right here. If you press that, it opens this hatch. Pull your lever. Then what you want to do is press on this tab right here and it'll pop your old toner out. Go ahead, set it to the side. Unbox your new toner and then take it and just put it directly in. Once you hear it click, you know it's in there. And then go ahead and stick it back in your printer. Once again, when you hear it click, you know it's in the right way. Go ahead and shut your hatch and you should be good to go. This printer does take a TN820 or a TN850. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.